Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Today we are working with silver colors. I had this idea going on in my mind for quite a while. Finally, I'm getting to it, and hopefully this will turn out what I was imagining. Why hopefully? Because if you've been following me for quite a while, you know that this hopefully can be changed really fast. Everything I will be using in this video, I will link in the description under the video. All the balloon count, sizes, places where I bought, everything is listed and linked right there. So go ahead and check it out. This video is not sponsored. I will be using some of the balloons from Angie, but most of the stuff, most of the supplies I bought with my own money. And without any further ado, let's go. Here is what I'm planning to use for today's balloon garland, for today's setup. I am using 12-inch silver metallic balloons. I have 5 packs over here. Then I have silver Orbz balloons. These are regular Orbz silver balloons in different sizes. And these guys over here, they are shimmery square Orbz balloons. These are from Angie's, and this ribbon, this shiny silver ribbon, is from Angie's as well. Thank you for sending me these to review. And I have these packs of snowflakes that I bought on Amazon. These are paper snowflakes, and each pack has 30 snowflakes. I have 2 packs. I am also planning to use my electric balloon pump to deal with all the balloons, low temperature glue gun, 20 or 30 pound fishing line to construct my balloon garland, balloon tying tool, and that's about it. Alrighty guys, first things first, like usual, I am starting with blowing my balloons up. I am working with my fishing line. That means I would have to pair my balloons. If you're working with balloon strip, then you would have to blow your balloons individually and tie your balloons individually. In my case, fishing line, 2 balloons at the same time, and tie them into a pair. Before I'll go to my latex balloons, I really want to check these square Orbz balloons. I am extremely excited to see what they're gonna look like. And plus, my balloon pump is cool. Never blow your self-sealing balloons with warm electric balloon pump. You have a chance to melt this insert that all the self-sealing balloons have in them, and you'll ruin your balloon. If your electric balloon pump is warm, please use hand pump to blow all of your self-sealing balloons. So let's try this one out. Okay, this is something unusual, and this is very, very pretty. I love it. I am taking 2 balloons at the same time, blowing them at the same time. I am taking these 2 balloons and pressing them against my floor to give them more rounder shape, and I'm tying these 2 balloons together to create a pair. That's it. Woo! Time to open the window. It stinks in here. I ran out of my 20-pound fishing line, so today I am using 30-pound fishing line to construct this balloon garland. I am tying my fishing line to my first balloon pair. Second pair right on top of my first pair. I am pinching my 2 pairs together with my fingers, taking my fishing line and wrapping my fishing line around one of the newly placed balloon. Pull on your fishing line and push your balloons together. Again, around another newly placed balloon, pull on your fishing line and push your clusters together. Be careful how hard you pull on your fishing line because you can cut your balloons with a fishing line. All right. Your balloon garland, cut a long piece of fishing line, hold it with one hand, with your other hand take that cut off a tail of fishing line and wrap around one of the balloons. Now you created this loop, so take this tail and feed it through the loop, pull on your tail. That way you're tying knots on your balloon garland. Do that a couple or a few times to make sure your balloons won't go anywhere. Alrighty guys, my balloon garland is built. Now I don't like this column shape that this garland or my base garland has. So I want to switch some balloons around, to play around, to kind of see where I can take my balloon garland shapes. Like the shape that this balloon garland took. Very happy. Now let's build our balloon garland more. So I am taking 2 pairs of balloons. It doesn't matter what size balloons you have, this will work with any balloons, and intertwine these 2 pairs together to create clusters of 4 like this. I am using my low temperature glue gun to attach all of my balloons to my balloon garland. I didn't have problems with my low temperature glue gun popping my balloons. It might pop your balloons if the quality of balloons are bad and if your balloons are way too thin, or your balloons are kind of like plasticky material balloons. Let's make this happen. Filling in spaces on my balloon garland, I like to take clusters and kind of put it against my balloon garland to see if that's what I want from those clusters. If I like the placement of them, if I don't, it's easier for me to remove them without glue, you know, just take it away, then pop them or add more balloons. Yeah, sometimes if I add more balloons to the cluster that I don't like, that it's there, I can come up with something incredible and very unusual, but sometimes I don't like to take chances, and I like to just measure first and then go from there. There's no specific pattern how I place my clusters on my balloon garland. If I'm working with different sizes balloons, I just go by the feel of my balloon garland. If I see that one specific part needs more balloons, and I just add 5-inch balloons. If I see that that spot needs even more balloons, I go with bigger balloons. I like to use my bigger size balloons like 24, 36, 18 outside of my base, kind of first of all build my balloon garland and then add in my bigger balloons, because I like my bigger balloons to pop out and be visible and bring something different into my balloon garland. I hope that makes sense. I want to start working with my foiled Orbz balloons. Here is the ribbon that I received from Angie's, and here is what I'm planning to do. I want to tie this balloon like a present, you know. my low temperature glue gun, and I am attaching this beautiful gift right on top of my balloon garland. What?
Sorry. Can I snap this?
Who are you snapping to?
Max Russ.
Again, you guys, I'm gonna repeat myself. Blow your Orbz balloons and any self-sealing balloons with cool electric balloon pump or hand pump to avoid melting of the self-sealing insert in your balloons. For some reason my electric balloon pump doesn't pump enough air into my small balloons, so I'm using a hand pump. Last thing that we need to put on our balloon garlands, that's our snowflakes. I'm not sure if I want to put them on my garland. We'll see. Is what I have for you guys today. Very beautiful silver wintry looking balloon garland. I am in love with the final product. Everything looks and works really good together. I love these square Orbz balloons. They are colorful, but they are not too colorful, but enough color to stand out. I love these ribbons on my balloons. I love everything about them, you guys. Thank you, Angie's, for sending me these goodies to review. Only positive things to say about this pair over here. I love my white snowflakes. I was worried about them just a little bit. I thought they would be a little too much on my garland, but they do break this silver very nicely, and they do stand out really good. I loved working with my metallic silver balloons. You guys, the only thing, I lost 6 balloons and they stink. You guys, they stink so badly. I had to leave my window open for quite a while to get rid of the smell, and I'm gonna keep my window opened because I don't want to smell this, and I don't want the smell to go through the whole house. So please, if you're gonna be working with them, leave a window or a door open. Never close a door in the room where you're working with your latex balloons. Please, I learned that a hard way. Also, what else? I love these Orbz balloons. They don't stand out as much against all the silver, but they do add something very special into this balloon garland. Everything that you see on this balloon garland, I attached with my low temperature glue gun. None of the balloons popped while I was working with low temperature glue gun. And yeah, you guys, I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my take on a balloon garland that looks literally like winter. I know I made a winter wonderland balloon garland, but this is literally like Christmas, New Year's, and winter balloon garland. I am in love with how everything turned out. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you're new here, what are you waiting for, you guys? Hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!